Welcome, dear friend. This is not just a story, it's the start of a beautiful journey. A journey of learning, imagination, and discovery. Ahmed and the Lost Cat. Ahmed is a kind and helpful boy. He lives in a quiet town with his mother and younger sister, Isal. Their house is small, but full of love. Ahmed is 10 years old, and he loves nature. Every morning, he wakes up early to water the plants in their garden. He talks to the flowers, listens to the birds, and sometimes feeds the squirrels. He also loves reading books about animals. He dreams of becoming a vet one day, so he can help sick and injured animals. One sunny afternoon, while watering the flowers, Ahmed hears a soft sound. Meow. Meow. He stops and listens again. The sound is coming from behind the rose bush. Curious, Ahmed moves closer and carefully looks behind the flowers. There, hiding in the shade, is a small cat. The cat is white with light brown spots. Its fur is dirty, and its body looks thin. It looks scared, but doesn't run away. Oh no, Ahmed says softly, "Are you okay, little cat?" The cat looks at him with big, sad eyes. Ahmed slowly kneels down and speaks gently. "Don't be afraid. I won't hurt you." He rushes inside the house and brings a bowl of warm milk and some bread. The cat drinks the milk quickly, as if it hasn't eaten for days. "You must be very hungry. Poor thing. Where is your home?" Ahmed wonders aloud. After feeding the cat, Ahmed makes a small bed using an old towel in a basket and places it under the shade. The cat curls up and falls asleep. That evening, Ahmed tells his mother about the cat. She smiles and says, "You did the right thing. But maybe someone is looking for their pet. Tomorrow, you can try to find its owner." The next morning, Ahmed gently picks up the cat and begins walking around the neighborhood. He knocks on doors, shows the cat to people, and asks kindly, "Do you know whose cat this is?" Some people say no, and some just shake their heads. Ahmed walks street after street, lane after lane, but no one recognizes the cat. Still, he does not give up. Every pet has a home, he tells himself, and I will help this one find it. After more than an hour, tired and thirsty, he reaches a small house at the end of the road. A kind-looking old woman opens the door. "Hello, Andy," Ahmed says politely, holding up the cat. "Do you know this cat?" The woman gasps. Her eyes fill with tears. "Mimi, that's my cat. I've been looking for her for 2 days. I thought I lost her forever." Ahmed smiles. "She was hiding in my garden. I gave her some milk. She was scared and tired." The old woman takes Mimi in her arms and hugs her tightly. Mimi meows happily and rubs her head on the woman's shoulder. "You are such a kind boy," the woman says. "Come inside. Let me give you something." Inside the cozy house, she gives Ahmed a glass of cold juice and a piece of homemade cake. "My name is Mrs. Fatima," she says. "I live alone, and Mimi is my only companion. I was so worried." "You brought joy back to my home." Ahmed feels warm inside. I'm happy Mimi is safe now. They talk for a while, and Ahmed learns that Nimar's Fatima used to be a teacher. She lives alone since her husband passed away. Mimi keeps her company. From that day on, Ahmed often visits Mrs. Fatima and Mimi. He helps her in the garden, reads her stories, and listens to her old memories. A friendship grows between them. Mimi becomes very attached to Ahmed. Every time he visits, she runs to him, purring and jumping into his lap. One day, Mrs. Fatima says, "You have a golden heart, Ahmed. This world needs more people like you." Ahmed smiles slyly. "I just wanted to help, and that is what he always does. Whether it's helping his mother, his neighbors, or a lost cat, Ahmed always chooses kindness, moral. Even the smallest act of kindness can lead to great friendships, lasting happiness, and a better world."